Hey everybody, this is Dwayne with OurCoOpLife, and I'm here to talk to you about one of my prints. Diane had a plant that needed to be planted and asked if I would try to find a cool planter, and preferably one that's self-watering, and this is both, I think. It's made from a PLA wood filament. I know it's really hard to tell in the video, but man, it is just done so well. It actually feels like wood. It's kind of wild, but I feel like it is a good choice for this planter. What's cool is it has this insert, and basically in the insert you can see where there's holes around the edges, and it allows the water to seep up into the roots. And you can see it's a pretty good size pot. There's plenty of room in there for the water, and basically, hold on, just show it to you real quick. Basically, yeah, you just insert this right in there. It's got an area where you pour the water in, and it just makes it super easy to water your plants, kind of a set it and forget it. And yeah, I don't know. I think she's gonna really like it. I will be sure to put a link in the video description so you can grab this planter if you want. Just a really good and detailed planter. Actually, the insert's so good that I'm like, gosh, I hate to even hide it away inside of here. But anyway, I'll also put a link to the Wood PLA. It's from Bambu. There's probably other people that make it, but I'll put a link to the one that I used. It turned out really great. So thanks for checking in, and yeah, we'll see you next time we come up with a cool print. Thank you.